your view on IPO, on Paytm, and where are the levels since the IPO now?
Hi, Meryl. Thank you so much for having me on the show. Morning to all your viewers and to you and to Jigar as well. A small mandatory disclosure as required by SEBI. All recommendations that I'll be sharing with you this morning on your show, Meryl, they are part of our fundamental research team recommendation. Our company, Geojit, or myself, we do not have any kind of personal investments, no financial interest, no conflict of interest, but we share similar investment ideas with our clients. They might have their investment interest. So if I heard you right, Meryl, he got in at the IPO, and post IPO, if I'm not mistaken, and I stand to be corrected, there was a decent amount of correction on fallback of certain concerns and news flows. This gentleman stroke investor had an opportunity to add to it. But having said that, anyways, lost opportunity is lost opportunity. On the fundamental side, as a disclosure, we do have a positive coverage on 197 Communication, that is Paytm, known as. And we believe that, though this looks to be a little bit crowded environment in terms of payment interface, but the kind of presence and scope that Paytm has over a longer period of time, on and off, certain regulations tend to bother this particular sector because of certain changes, upgradation, and concerns. But if you're a long-term investor, first of all, stay invested. If the stock slips maybe sub 1200 and closer to 1100, and if you do have investable amount, my humble request would be to first of all hold on to your investment, and if you have that investable amount from a long-term point of view, you can add on dips as well. We are positive on the stock.
All right, so a fundamentally positive view coming in for Paytm. But Jigar, what's your outlook on this one? Where are the levels trending now compared to where the IPO opened?
Very good morning, everyone. See, in terms of Paytm, again, the Paytm has a very steep resistance at 1400. And overall, even on December 2025, we saw a massive correction from that particular level. And I think a couple of weeks back, again, we got a rejection from 1400 marks. So as of now, any bounce toward 1300, 1400, so we would advise to book partial profits and wait for a daily closing above 1400.
Right. Any bounce back around 1300, 1400, you can book your profits. But let's move on. We are joined by Meher Chand from Visakhapatnam. Meher,